Hi, it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notion video, and this time it's this adorable pink iron.
It's cute.
Tammy found this and I'm like, you bought it because it was cute and small.
That's right, I did.
And she claims there's more to it than cute and small and pink.
Thank goodness. Yes, there's a
Take
reason
it away.
I bought it, Jen.
Why did you buy this, Tammy?
Why did I buy this? Okay. I'm looking for a small project iron, something to take on retreats or when I travel and I need something that gets hot and stays hot.
And it's smaller.
And it's smaller.
Okay.
Now you often find with small irons that they heat up but they don't retain that heat or they turn off.
Or they're not even that hot.
That's right. This thing gets really hot. We were playing with this earlier.
I was surprised.
It gets very hot. So the silicone rest that it comes with has a tab. You can hang it to store it like this, and this snaps on it. To use the iron, we would just pop this off and turn it over. And now this is a resting side.
Okay.
So the iron is just going to rest on this.
The whole time. It's not going to sit upright like other irons.
No, it doesn't sit upright. So let's turn this on and let's play with this. And I'm just going to turn this on right here with this dial. Okay. You see it glowing, it glows, and then it fades out and it comes back on again. That's because it's heating.
Okay.
You see it doing that?
So the on and off pulsating is it's heating. And once it's up to temperature?
It is solid white. That's correct.
I like it.
That's correct.
Makes
I
sense.
like that.
I can understand that.
Exactly. I can understand that. All right. So you grip it like this. So I have my index fingers coming over it. I love the tip on this iron, and I don't want to touch that because I can feel it getting really hot.
Yeah.
But to press a seam, perfect. To press a seam, I'm just going to get it warmed, and I am just, this thing has got a tip on it that is amazing.
Oh, it is cute. Okay, it's cute. It's super cute. But it's also very effective.
But it's very effective iron. This, I mean, it's hot, Jen. Feel this. It's really hot.
I know there's so many people that travel.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they travel all year long.
You travel in an RV.
And you wouldn't want an ironing board and a big old iron. And space is a premium.
Space is limited.
How do they end up with this in my hands? I don't know, but I'm enjoying this right now.
She loves it. See how I did that? Just kind of passed it over and she took it.
Look how fun that is. You know, the other thing I've noticed about some irons, they're just heavy.
They're really heavy. Yeah, this is not heavy. This is a great iron for my hand. I don't get tired using this. I've been playing with this iron for a while now.
Wow. And I notice I've got these little, tell me about this.
That's your steam.
Okay.
So it does have a little reservoir. And as soon as you're done playing, I'll show you.
Oh, okay.
I know, you just gotta press it.
It's probably not its biggest thing. It's not.
It's not. Steam is not really, this is not a steam iron.
Right.
It's got a shot of steam if you need it.
Okay.
But it's not gonna steam forever. You're gonna fill your reservoir right here in the handle. So it's a very small reservoir.
Sure.
So you're not gonna use it to steam out 12 yards of fabric.
It's not what its job is, though.
No.
It's really for seams.
It's a project iron. This is perfect for keeping beside my sewing machine when I'm paper piecing or when I am piecing quilts. Coupled with this wool pressing mat, this is a winner. And this is what I need right here next to my machine.
Besides the brand being, is it Oliso?
Oliso
is a definitely recognized brand in our industry.
It is.
The warranty, I love it.
Oh, yeah. 3 years.
Yes.
3 years by Oliso. You get a warranty card in the box, 3-year warranty. That is amazing for a company like this.
It is, because a lot of them you find maybe a year.
A 1-year warranty is about all you get.
And if you do buy the iron and you do have a problem along the way up to the 3 years, you'd contact the manufacturer.
Oliso. That's correct. Okay? That's correct.
Well, I love that they stand behind their product for a whole 3 years.
I do too.
I know that we use our products every single day.
Yes,
we do. So as we continue through our quilting journey and more videos, you can expect to see more of that on camera.
Absolutely.
Because we have such limited
You're going to see it.
here.
We need this iron on camera.
Okay, so I agree. You bought it more than just because it's cute.
I know.
It's hot. And does this stay on, Tammy?
Yes, it does. This stays on constantly. It does not have an auto-off feature. I do not like an iron with an off feature because it seems every time I go to use it, it's just turned off. You have to turn it on and stand there and wait for it to heat back up again. That never fails. Never fails. No,
So-
this does not have an auto-off feature. So if you're used to an auto-off feature, you're going to need to be careful using this iron
Yeah.
that you make sure you unplug it and turn it off and put it on its little resting
Yeah,
storage
definitely.
thing.
That's always good
when
to
it
keep
cools
that
down.
line.
When it's hot, don't do that. Okay.
All right, Tammy.
All
Well,
right.
I'm glad you found that. I think this is
super
going to
cute.
be added to probably my sewing room too.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
we'll see you on the next Shabby Fabrics Notion video.